have something called fat freezing. Fat freezing. You can have your frozen fat off your middle with something called Coolsculpting.
I have tried to get rid of my belly fat by drinking frozen margaritas. It does not work.
Everybody knows you've got to burn fat to get rid of it, right?
Wrong. We discovered a new way that involves freezing your fat.
Ladies, that stubborn fat on our outer thighs can be some of the hardest to lose, but could a surgery-free procedure be the answer?
Hundreds of thousands of people undergo liposuction every year, but some relatively new treatments claim to remove fat without surgery.
I wanted to avoid surgery as well, so I figured this would be the best option.
So Coolsculpting is cryolipolysis, which is a process of fat freezing.
Cold actually injures the fat cells and makes the fat cells die, and then you eliminate them naturally.
Melissa says she was drawn to the procedure because it's so minimal she can teach a yoga class later today.
Ahora ya hay un aplicador en forma de acordeón abierto que se puede aplicar sobre áreas convexas.
Se llama Coolsmooth, une technique sans chirurgie importée des États-Unis. Elle est sur le marché français depuis 3 ans.
What are your hopes after this?
But it'll be able to be a little 4-pack this year and not just a 2-pack.